Welcome to the channel. The market, at least in my opinion, is still on its way to the bear market lows, and once it reaches the lows, it's probably going to take at least this year, maybe beginning of the next year, for the market to start rally again, hopefully to the new highs. There's something interesting happening right now. The Bitcoin is testing the bull market support band. If we zoom into not 4 hours, let's keep this 1 week chart, because the bull market support band is supposed to be read on 1 week. So it almost touched the bull market support band, not quite yet, and it actually didn't touch it the previous time when it attempted to go higher. I believe that it's going to be rejected. The price is gonna fall down to, hopefully, to its bear market lows. I don't want many of these events, because then it's just gonna take so long before the market finally rallies and I can finally sell. Because the crypto market has been maturing so long, I'm not gonna wait that long anymore before I sell. Once I make good enough amount to invest to other assets, then I will probably exit at least half of my crypto, and half of it is going to be mostly in Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum. We shall see. But anyways, that's what I believe is going to happen. And I've been doing some small trades here and there, taking profits, sending some of the assets to Nexo to collect interest, hopefully for the long term. Nexo has proven to be quite resilient. It survived 2022 crash, and that's why I believe obviously it pays pretty high interest, like 10% for fiat money. So obviously it's not risk-free, but I don't have any other income, so I have decided to take some of the risk in Nexo. So my assets overview at the moment, it's only for the $7,000 on Bybit, because I've sent some of the money away. And in addition to that, if we let's take a look at ADA, for example, and let's take 1 month chart. 1 year would have been probably better, but as we can see, it's touching its 2023 lows. And if the price falls below this, then this asset might be dead. It might not come back again. And who wants to trade asset that's like very uncertain? Of course, I'm hoping that ADA is going to recover. I'm hoping that this chain will be successful. I hope it releases many great breakthrough products and so on, but we have to be realistic. It might be this, if it goes below those previous lows, then I don't know, it's just going to look worse and worse. So that's why I have stopped. I've taken my profits from these riskier altcoin assets. Now I only have $10 ADA here. I'm keeping small amounts so that I can see my realized profits and losses for these trades. And what have I done? Most of the money I have, most of these profits I have already traded to Bitcoin and Ethereum and added to my short positions. So now I'm basically mostly shorting Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I believe that the bear market low it's not nearly in. The market is probably, I'm if it drops 30 to 40%, then I'm probably gonna take at least half of the profits out, and if it drops even more, like 50% from here, then I'm probably gonna start longing the market again. I'm kind of hoping that it doesn't come to that, because it's so low that it's gonna cause more anxiety than hopefulness. But anyways, this is the situation right now. Right, let's take a look at my Bitcoin. Yeah, here I've been buying and selling as the price keeps on chopping, but it haven't really done anything within the last 3 months. It's in the middle of the 3-month average, or how should I say it? Anyways, you get the point. And from here, I believe it's gonna come down. Well, this is no need to ramble anymore in this video. This is my situation right now, and when something interesting happens again, or I significantly change my trades, I will be making an update video. Thank you. Have a nice day and all that. Bye.